My name's Stella Poole and I'm from Cork in Ireland. I'm in Manchester for a post-operative checkup. It's been 9 weeks and 2 days since I had the operation done. I had my male heavy eyebrows reduced back. We smoothed over the frontal sinus to allow the brow essentially to flow into the nose, because the nose was also done. And then my jawline was feminized, and the chin as well, and then the Adam's apple was reduced. I chose Facialteam mainly because they focus on a natural look, and I did exhaustive investigations into the various teams around the world, and I felt that Facialteam would be able to keep the integrity of who I am, but of course feminize my male features. I'm really surprised how quickly the healing has healed. It's as I say, it's been 9 weeks, which is a very short time, and for such a dramatic procedure, the body is incredible. How quickly it's coped. A lack of discomfort, and even though it's only 9 weeks, I really can start to see the results. They're already plain, and sure, there's numbing in places and a little bit of swelling and a small bit of bruising still, but I can cope with all of that. The bruising really probably peaked within the first week, I would say, and by the time I left Marbella, which kind of 12 days after surgery, I probably looked like I was a car crash victim, but I got lots of stares. But it was fine. It was fine. Probably 4 weeks after, if I didn't want to wear makeup, there would be very little there. The aftercare was fantastic. Once during my stay there post-surgery, I was just a tiny bit worried about possibly having an infection within my mouth where there were stitches, and as soon as I rang Carmen, within 5 minutes a taxi arrived and I was taken straight back to surgery, and they looked and I was fine. But literally it was that professional. I felt as if there were any problems, or even just someone to talk to, the phone was there to be used. If I had to go through it all again now, the one thing a big thing actually that I perhaps stupidly did, which I wouldn't recommend, is I went through the whole procedure myself. I flew to Marbella alone, I was at hospital alone, and I stayed in an apartment alone. That is definitely not for everyone. I coped, I got through it, but especially the hospital time by myself, I don't do it. No, just bring a friend, a family member, because it really, I believe it would really help. And just speaking to other girls, I know having a buddy there is essentially part of the healing process, the mental healing process. My favourite moment, that's easy. And it actually is because I was alone in hospital. It was just before surgery, and I was dressed, and I think I was actually even getting ready to go on the trolley to be taken down to theatre. And each surgeon came in one by one, not literally one by one, but during my pre-surgery checks, they came one by one and just reassured me everything was going to be okay, a little hug, and that actually made such a difference. The changes that have happened since surgery, that actually very quickly it happens, Again, it's only 9 weeks, and I'm read more as female. I don't have an obsession with needing to pass, but certainly it's reassuring and lovely when people address me as female. That happened before surgery, but it's already increased since surgery, and I believe as my healing progresses, I believe that will carry on, which is lovely, yeah.